Hi friends! Good morning! Good morning! The truth is, it's already like 12 noon. So I am outside right now because I wanted to show you that chick tint. I don't know if pwede yun sa lips, but I only used it on my cheeks. So this is how it looks like on daylight. And as you can see, diba, masyadong OA yung ano niya. I only applied very little and it even stained my finger. So konti lang, as in parang ano, super ewan ko, basta konti lang yung in-apply ko, and this is what is happening right now. So yun, ito nga, it's so weird, you can't see me. So this is the chick tint, and I don't know, I feel it looks ano ba, medyo natural but hindi masyadong natural, ewan ko kasi ano, one thing that I don't like about this lip chick tint is that hindi siya masyadong magandang i-blend. I'm finding a hard time to blend it. So, di ba? If you can see it, naka-concentrate lang siya dito. And even though I only applied very little, but tingnan naman. And later this afternoon, surely magre-red pa to ng bonggang-bongga. I don't know, it's so weird. Yeah. It's just so weird. And I don't know why. Yun lang. And why am I whispering? So, I'm back to vlogging, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's almost summer. It's almost like, it's February na, guys. It's February na. Wow, the wind is so good. Yeah. And, oh, by the way, I just wanted to update you all na wala na yung dogs namin. Namatay silang dalawa, si Ben at saka si Tam after Christmas, after New Year. I know, they got sick, and yun, hindi na, I know, wala na natabang. Yun yung Bisaya doon. I don't know what's Tagalog for that. So that's what's been happening. And I feel so sad about it because I really love Ben and Tam, and yeah, that's it. So that's a little update on me, and I guess we are heading our way. I am heading my way to my salon, and I will see you later. Bye. Ito yung ulam namin. Utan, Bisaya.
Utan, oh.
Ang saya, ma?
Utan. Ulit utan.
Galit siya. Hello! You don't want to be in the video. You will be in the video. Eating utan. I'm gonna eat chicken and utan. Here's my rice, chicken. Gonna get some utan. Today is Sunday. It is so traffic here. Because, nasarado na dila. Oh my god. It's getting worse here. Parang mga matagal-tagal pa to. And we will be like this here. Hey friends! Good morning! Oh my gosh, I really do miss talking to the camera. I miss talking to the camera, but I know sometimes I don't have the time and energy to talk to the camera because, you know, life is busy. I'm not a full-time vlogger, that's why. So let's check this room. Guys, look at this room. It's still a mess. I decided that I wanted to, you know, clean this room and decorate this room because I wanted to make this room my filming area. But because, as you can see, diba? There's a big window here and a big window. on my back, and yeah, and as you can see naman, diba? Wow, my cheeks is so red. The lighting is so good here, but I don't know. I didn't have the time yet because I was so busy. And today I have a makeup client today and tomorrow as well. So oh my god. Please, 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 wag naman. Kasi busy ako bukas. Excuse me guys. So yun. Yun. I'm so excited to do this room, but now, when was that? I think it was around October or something. Basta mga we're around that time last year, and today, and now it's already 2018 and it's almost summer, guys. Can you feel the heat surrounding me? Diba? Ang liwanag sa labas. You know, ang liwanag dun. So yeah, it's almost summer and oh, my face looks so white there. And I haven't finished this room. I haven't touched it. Yeah. Hopefully, I will have the time to do something in this room because ayang naman, diba? This is supposed to be the children's room, but they don't want to sleep by themselves. So yeah, it's still you know, mga random stuff lang yung andito. So yeah, I'm getting excited. Oh my gosh, you're not allowed to get excited because I'm gonna tell you why. Basta yun lang yung update with me, and it's almost, oh, I'm checking my watch but I'm not wearing one. It's almost 11 na, and I have a client coming here dito lang sa bahay namin at 1 p.m. So I gonna get ready and eat a little breakfast because I haven't eaten breakfast yet. I woke up this morning like mga 5 a.m. because the kids were going to school, and then I went back to sleep and woke up like around 9:30, and I took a shower and blah 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 and a lot of things. So yun. So I'll just be getting ready sa mga makeup ko, guys, and I will see you later. Bye! This is my setup. Setup na. There's my light. I haven't put it. Hindi pa nasaksak sa saksakan. I'm just waiting. It's still early. It's still 11:30. I'm finished and I'm just gonna eat lunch. Ito yung lunch ko. Amazing. Get this ready because tomorrow I also have a makeup appointment tomorrow. Again, it's a lot of things, and you're watching a movie. Hello, girls. Girl, you're the girl there. Baba Beam, Ati Beam, Baba Beam, Lulu Beam. So this is how I look like, guys. So yeah, I will just be cleaning away all this stuff. And oh, by the way, I have a new foundation. Not exactly new, but I will be bringing a new foundation because I ran out already with my old foundation. And this one is the Revlon Color Stay. Yes, and I got this from Japan as well. I stocked a lot when I came home here in the Philippines, so I still have a lot of these foundations and all the makeups that I have been using for my, for my client. So I'll just quickly tidy this up and gonna be ready for tomorrow. It's a 9:30 call time, so I need to get ready for tomorrow. Bye!